that's it. Let's stop firing.
Oh. Alright, I got some good hits on them. Get a better angle. Right there, right there.
Too bad, too bad.
Got him.
Infantry, 195, 195.
Can I go back to the truck and switch to a squad leader kit? We need...
From where, bro? Like, this shit pisses me off.
Server looks like it's filling up quick.
Contact 095,
Do you want to come up to me?
east. Hey, MREP, watch east.
Yeah, you said that at the very last second, unfortunately. He got me.
Oh,
He's in the hills in front of you.
Use his truck squad lead. Yeah, I need one more person by us. Someone come over. Or hop out of the truck for a sec.
I'm here.
Yeah, I am
Keep it
completely
right there,
surrounded.
Yo, should I try and flank, Neva lower?
I think Raven needs some help right now. There's a couple guys coming directly in front of...
Yeah, I killed
To our
a few,
north.
but they're really swarming over here now.
No. I don't know why.
Why it's not coming down?
You can't put a radio?
No.
At least
Keep
drop
saying
it
I
out.
need 3 teammates, but it won't let me drop that either.
Yeah, it's not letting him drop anything. Alright,
Here, who? Yeah.
Hot dog. Contact 117.
Shit, I saw the wrong one. Fuck. It's Fruit
Damn.
Yeah. Just come towards me, I guess. Meet in the middle somewhere.
At this point, you'll probably be able to run them even faster. If that's where you're trying to go.
Yeah, just that south side of Neva, I guess.
Okay.
Nah, bro, where you looking at?
Approved.
020, they're behind the rocks. Yeah, they're running all along the rocks. We got a really good angle here.
Nice.
Got one. They're 148.
Thanks, man. Do you need any bandages?
Me?
I do actually.
Does anybody need
No,
any
I don't
bandages?
need any. If you're talking to me. I think top right, blue building. Enemy logi spotted heading at 106, heading east at 106.
Keep them suppressed. Keep them suppressed.
Yeah, they're covering that guy with smoke. Watch over there. 128.
Well, who's this guy in the field at 57? Is that a friendly?
Yeah, no, that's not friendly.
Yeah, 72, 72.
Go over. Go over the east and southeast.
Get down.
Did you just shoot him?
No, I didn't shoot him. I don't know where he got hit from.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Squad 851, squad 7.
Hit him, Vic. I hit it.
Get inside and let up. That's coming from the west, northwest.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
I got
You need bandages?
No, I'm good.
Hey, does anyone know where that tank is? I'd like to shoot it and kill it.
I'm going down there.
You can't be serious, my guy.
Pushing, pushing, pushing.
The objective has been locked down.
Pushing from north, they're coming towards the buildings, they're really close.
There's infantry around our armor vehicle, just got pulled out. Yeah, we can't completely surrounded.
Squad 6 is down.
Enemy Vics coming from the road.
There are many roads. North? South?
Yes, north. Yes, north.